Welcome back to Everyday Race. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a gem in a 95 to 2003 Ford Ranger. For this procedure, I'm going to use a 6-inch extension, small universal joint, plastic trim removal tool, 7mm socket, and impact driver. I could also use a small ratchet. First, I'm going to remove two 7mm screws that hold radio bezel to the Next step, I'm going to use a trim removal tool to pry the radio bezel away from the dash. Next, I'm going to unplug the radio antenna, and a cigarette lighter and move the radio bezel out of the way. Next, I'm going to unplug the electrical connector located at the bottom of the gem. Next, I'm going to remove 7mm screw that holds gem to the dash. I'm going to use a 7mm socket, 6-inch extension, U-joint, and an impact driver. Next, I'm going to pull the gem down towards the floor. Next, I'm going to remove two electrical connectors located on the side of a gem and remove the gem from the vehicle. Next, I'm going to show you how to install your brand new gem or a brand new used gem back in your truck. Step one is to plug two electrical connectors that are located on the side of the gem. Next, put the gem back to its bracket and slide it up. And here's a close-up view to what I'm talking about. Alright, so these slots are supposed to slide on these slots right here. Let me show you. You pull it up, and then you just push it in until the screw hole matches with the gem. Next, I'm going to install a 7mm screw that holds gem to its bracket and tighten it up. Okay, next plug the electrical connection located on the bottom of the gem. Next, plug in the cigarette lighter, radio, and radio antenna. Next step is to install the radio bezel back in the dash. Make sure that 4 metal clips located on the bezel slide into 4 holes located in the dash. If the bezel doesn't want to go in its place, pull it back out and make sure you didn't bend the metal clips on the bezel. And last step is to install the 2 7mm screws that hold the radio bezel to the dash and tighten them up.